This time, let's go into the science room. It's so fun. There's so much stuff to do. Their tables made out of metal plates. Don't worry, it's a little bit dusty though. We have so much stuff like electric shapes, cotton balls, and plasma lights, flat flashlights, magnets, and more magnets. Here we have a bod or an heart organ. It's like a thing where you can see your organs, but in like a different place. Here we put our ants here. We put our ants here. Here we have a 4D human eyeball, and this is the habitat, but it's not finished yet. It will be finished pretty soon. And we also have this for table planing sometimes, some scissors, some bugs, yeah, and also some clipboards to write on our stuff. And yeah, we also have a TV and a space. There's a little buttons here for like fun clicking stuff. Jupiter and Earth. And yeah, this is so fun, so cool. And also, we also painted this door so it looks like metal. And yeah, and we also have a like airlock. And yeah, thank you and bye.